I'm gonna burp the ABCs. One second. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. And excuse me. Flat screen TV. Over here, some pop. Ignore the beer. Yum. All that stuff looks good to eat. I'm not gonna eat those. I just tried them and they're old. All of those cups. That shirt. That stuff. Now for the games. That TV's sold. My other phone, which is weird because I have two phones. $89%, good. So I have a video showing it around so I can post it on YouTube. Trophies. Certainly Thursday I'm gonna get a spelling bee trophy and the Citizen Award. Excuse me.
Why do you keep doing
And that. And that. I'm recording stuff. In the bathroom. Please hold. And it looks like there's eyes right there. There's probably someone that has camcorders right there watching us. For the parents' room. Oh, that 49 time. I have another Xbox, 2 Xbox. Do you want to see the other one? I'll go back to the one I was saying a little while ago. So just and that Wonderwall. I don't feel like going now in the garage. Fine. Movie room. It's messy. And garage. Well, we have a punching bag out there. I was going to show you that. Okay, thanks for watching. Watch. And you better watch this.